guys, Lego's on here, and I just got done recording my Lego haul too. And today we're going to be unboxing Lego Ninjago Thunder Raider set 70723. Comes with 3 minifigures, and the retail price is $30. So let's just get a box look here. 2014 Ninjago. Sorry if you hear background. Wait 1 second. Okay, there we go. I just closed my door because I'm in my room. I got a Ninjago poster up there. I got it from Toys R Us. It's a little sneak peek of my stuff. Me and him. A little sneak peek of my stuff here. And I just got done. I had to move that away. Okay, so there's the box. Nothing that special about it, but I like to keep the box.
Yeah, let's open this baby up.
Got the Ninjoid J. Cole.
And J's size.
Just look at the sides. Okay, so on the back, there's like the features. Shows you how the Technoblades. I have all of the Technoblades now because I have all of those sets. Okay, let's unbox this. Okay.
And have permission to use scissors?
I have permission to use scissors. Okay. Okay. So let's just cut this open. Sorry guys, I'm trying not to damage the box.
Yeah.
Because you like to keep the box. Okay. Okay, so we got bag number 1. Oh, I got a wheel too. And I have bag number 3. And
Where's bag number 2?
got another wheel.
Bag
I got an instruction manual on how to build coal.
Where's another wheel?
I got an instruction manual of that.
And where's another wheel?
Got bag number 2 and stickers. I'll be doing a review on this. Bye.
Yeah,
Please comment, subscribe, share the videos, and press that like button.
Where's that
See you guys later. Bye.